agency. What is your emergency?
Sir, get over here! Someone is trying to...
Sir, okay lang ba kayo dyan?
Agent Uno, ano meron?
Guys, meron tayong kaso. Grabe, napakunti naman ang alam.
Ang victim ay si Eduardo Suerte. Siya ang CEO ng isang chemical factory sa Balintawak. May nakita kaming gunshot wound sa kanya.
Actually, tinawagan niya ang agency para humingi ng tulong. Ngunit, nag-disconnect sila ng biglaan.
Ma'am, meron na po ba kayo nakita mga evidences?
Wala pa kaming nakitang fingerprints or baril. Pero ang dahilan ng pagkamatay niya is gunshot. Masyadong marami ang footprints kaya hindi namin ma-differentiate ang murderer.
Yung list of suspects, meron ba kayong mga eyewitnesses para sa kaso?
Sabi raw ng mga witnesses, binigyan niya raw ng 1 week vacation ang majority ng staff niya. Katapos nun, nag-iba na ugali niya.
Sabi rin nila, may 3 lang tayong suspect. Ang butler, maid, at ang nephew ni Sir Suerte.
Oo nga.
Hello, Angels!
Hello, Krisha!
Ano na meron, Angels?
Meron tayo isang murder case. Ito ay, ang victim dito ay si Sir Eddie Suerte, isang CEO ng isang maunlad na chemical factory. Ang kanyang kamatayan ay dahil sa isang gunshot.
3 lamang ang mga taong malapit sa crime scene. Sila ang maid, butler, at ang nephew ni Sir Suerte.
Wala pa kami mga nakikita mga fingerprints, kahit yung baril na pampatay.
Ganun lang pala. Sige, Angels, move out at pag-investigate kayo. Usapin niyo at investigate niyo yung 3 suspects. Angels, go!
Please, come inside. Make yourselves at home. Eliza, show our guest to the living room.
Yes, Sir Tony. This way, gentlemen, if you please.
Yes, PSP tayo.
I am aware why you are here today, gentlemen. You suspect me of murdering my uncle, don't you? I guess it's not only you.
Sir Tony, you know that I'm innocent and would never hurt Sir Suerte. He took me in as a child.
Anyhow, I, for one, am the innocent one. Ask your questions then, gentlemen.
Sir Antonio Suerte, born from the sister of the late Eduardo Suerte. Sa mga nabasa naming reports, namatay yung parents noong bata ka pa at si Sir Suerte ang naging legal guardian mo hanggang natapos ka ng college. Ang nasabi sa report namin ay ikaw lang ang tanging relative ni Sir sa dugo.
So, pwede kang magkaroon ng motibo sa pagpatay ng iyong tito.
Pwede yung habol mo ang kayamanan niya o ang kanyang kumpanya.
True. However, did you forget that I am his only relative left? Therefore, all the inheritance automatically goes to me. So does the company. So I have really no motive in having my uncle killed.
Pero paano mo malalaman kung mapupunta lahat sa'yo?
It's in my uncle's last will and testament. It will be effective next week, but for now, it is still under my uncle's good name. Besides that, I have an alibi. I was present at my high school reunion. You can check the attendance sheet. It was already confirmed by the police.
True, Sir Tony, na sinabi ng will nandito mo na mapupunta sa'yo lahat. However,
what?
Tungkol sa last will and testimony ng tito mo, yun yung dating will, di ba? Hindi yung updated version ni Sir Swerte, right?
What do you mean by that?
Nakalagay sa report na binasa namin na nawawala ang bagong will and testament ni Sir Swerte. Sa kanyang kwarto, kinalkal ang kanyang mga gamit. The police declared na ninakawan siguro ang updated ang will and testament ni Sir.
And how do you know that there is an updated will, dearest angels?
A statement given by Sir Swerte's lawyer. Nakaprocess na yung will na yun, pero nawawala.
Bakit kayo binago ni Sir Swerte yung kanyang last testimony, si Sir Tony?
Miguel, entertain our guests. Gentlemen, since the suspects are all gathered here, I bid you, leave after you're done with your interrogations. It seems that I am late for an appointment of mine.
Dearest guests, my apologies for our dear master. He really did love his uncle, didn't he, Eliza?
I'm sorry for eavesdropping. No ill intention. But is it all true?
Ano ba tinutukoy nyo? Ano ba yung tinutukoy mo? What is true, my dear?
That Sir Swerte has a new will and testimony?
It is true, my dear. I was there when it happened. However, without the authorization of his signature and the missing documents, it is not valid right now.
Ano mo nakalagay sa bawang dokumento?
That I do not recall. I have been serving the Swerte family since Master Tony's mother was a child. I am very old. Anyhow, continue with the investigation. We are ready to talk.
Ilang taon na ba kayo sa service ni Sir Swerte? Ba't hindi niyo tinanggap yung vacation na binigay niya?
When he was just a young boy with his sister, I was already there. I've grown to love him as my own son since I no longer have a family. It was because of that I chose to stay by his side even without leave.
May nasa loob kayo ng mansion ng araw ng murder.
Oo kaya? Ang suspicious kaya nun? Sir Miguel, ang suspicious! You know that? Suspicious!
I am tending to the garden since the gardener was on vacation. Unfortunately, I have no one to validate my alibi.
I could. I saw you there, tending to the garden. I was in the house, though so you couldn't have seen me.
At ba't ka nandun, Miss Eliza? At sa loob ng mansion pa nung araw ng kamatayan ni Sir?
I am innocent. I was told to go and meet Sir Swerte there. He told me himself. You can ask Miguel. He was present.
That I can confirm myself. The girl is no liar.
Miss Eliza, ba't ka nga ba tinawag ni Sir sa mansion?
Sir, I don't know. I was only told to come here for an important matter. And then, Sir Swerte was...
Please believe the girl. She is truly innocent. Sir Swerte took her in when she was just a child from the orphanage.
It's true. He saved me from that horrible place. I owe him my life. He gave me everything I needed.
Sige po, wait lang. Bro, may gusto ko pa sabihin.
Curious ako, ba't nandun si Sir Tony ko sinabi niya? Nasa high school reunion siya.
Oo nga, ba't kaya siya nagsinungaling?
Ano? Wait lang. Si Sir Tony ay nagpunta nga sa high school reunion. Nakatouch ito sa report ni Sir Reggie.
Pero, ba't kaya siya nandun sa crime scene?
Mamaya na natin problemahin yan. Mag-report muna tayo kay Krisha Angels.
Sige bro.
Sige.
Hello, Krisha.
Hello, Angels. How's your investigation?
Marami na kami nalaman, ngunit kailangan pa namin mag-investigate.
Si Sir Tony, ang best suspect namin ngayon. Ngunit, meron siyang alibi. Pero sa naalala namin na siya'y nahanap sa crime scene kahit na pumunta siya sa school reunion niya. May tinatago siya tungkol sa last will and testimony ng tito niya.
Miss Eliza, the maid, ay tinawag doon sa mansion. May usapan pala sila ni Sir Swerte. Subalit, hindi alam kung bakit, pero confirm ito ni Sir Miguel.
At huli, si Sir Miguel, ang butler ni Swerte, ay nandun dahil sa garden. Validated ang kanyang alibi dahil sa maid na si Miss Eliza.
Nawawala pa raw ang updated last will and testimony ni Sir Swerte at kung hindi ito mahanap, sa isang week, epektibo na ang dating will ni Sir.
Lahat ng kayamanan ni Sir Swerte ay mapupunta kay Tony.
Hindi ba suspicious? Hindi ba suspicious yun? Lahat na nangyari. Nang wala ang will, namatay si Sir, nandun si Sir Tony. Pero dapat, nasa high school reunion siya. Mag-uusap sana sila ni Eliza at si Sir Miguel ay nandoon. Ano nangyari?
Tama pala si Kisha. Babalik ka pala rito para ihukay ang murder weapon. Pero nakuha na ng FBI.
Ikaw lang naman ang pinaka-suspicious sa lahat ng kinausap namin. Sa pinaka-investigate ni Trisha, alam na namin ikaw ang kriminal. Hindi ka namin tatantaran.
Nung nalaman namin, dito ang murder weapon, napunta na ito sa forensics lab namin. Nag-match ito sa gunpowder at bullet trace sa katawan ni Sir Swerte. At sa nakuha na naming sample, sa damit mo, mag-surrender ka na, Sir Miguel.
Pero bakit, Sir? Bakit niyo pinatay si Sir Swerte? Diba tinuri mo na siyang kapamilya?
My daughter and Sir were lovers back then, however. Out of the blue, he threw her away, and Maria has been missing since until I heard the news of the death of her a year after. I would have left the household if it wasn't for my love for Master Tony. I started anew, dedicating my life for the young master's future. Life was good for them, and Sir Swerte seemed to turn a new leaf. Until that fateful day when the young master lost his parents, Sir Swerte brought Eliza to the estate. Master Tony was so lonely after that. Eliza was given everything despite being a housemaid. But I was thankful that Sir Tony would inherit everything. Oh, how happy that made the young master. While the young master was attending his high school reunion, I was hoping to frame Eliza, seeing that she had an arranged meeting with Sir Swerte while burning the new will. However, it was already gone. Before I had even had the chance to frame the girl, I hadn't anticipated that master would be within the crime scene.
At yan ang rason, bakit tinago mo ang barrel sa garden. Nung nalaman mo na present si Tony sa mansion, hindi mo kaya execute ang plano mo.
Congrats, Angels. Nasolve niyo na ang case. Bumalik na kayo sa agency.
Ang importante talaga ng chemistry, no? Sino mo, hanggang sa pagkain, pagluto, pagliligo, nagagamit natin chemistry.
Ilang yan. Nalaman natin ang murderer dahil sa forensic investigation.
Wow!
Sir! Okay lang ba kayo?
Agent Ulo, ano meron?
Guys,
Narinig yung tao.
Oo naman. Isa pa, isa pa.